Hey everyone, so I'm going to show you how to fix sticky slime without Activator. So my slime is not sticky, but if you have sticky slime, then this is how you fix it. So first you want to put the lid on the container. Then you want to put it in the freezer for 10 minutes. So I just took it out of the freezer and it shouldn't be sticky anymore. And it's very stretchy. So this is how you fix sticky slime without Activator. So if this worked, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And leave a comment down below if this works or not. So thanks so much for watching.